Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MATLAB class. So today I would like to post one more project video in the field of digital image processing. Now before going for execution of the code, just go to my YouTube page, like my all the videos, share my all the videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Now just go with this run button. It will open one graphical user interface. The title of the code is image encoding and decoding using Huffman. So we are going to encode and decode image with the help of Huffman encoding decoding technique. Now just click on first button, that is select image button, and just select one image from input database. So I am going to select this image from input database. Just click on open button. It will display that image over this axis. Yes, so this is my input image. I just want to encode and decode this image with the help of Huffman. Now just click on Huffman encoding. It will encode the given image. So this is the encoded data that I have displayed over here. The compression ratio that I am getting is 1.15804. Now just click on Huffman decoding. It will decode this encoded data with the help of Huffman decoding technique. So this is my recovered image. I am getting MSE is equal to 0 and the value of PESNR is I am getting is equal to 100. Means after recovering this image I am getting same to same original image back. Means there is no difference between input image and recovered image. Means we get almost all data at the result in the result. So this is all about image encoding and decoding using Huffman. Now just click on clear all button. Now I am going to select second image. I just want to run this code for second image. So just click on this image and click on open button. That image will display over here. Now just click on second button, that is Huffman encoding. So that image is encoded with the help of Huffman. So this is my encoded data. Now I am getting here the compression ratio is equal to 1.34. Now just click on Huffman decoding process. It will decode the image. So I am getting MSE is equal to 0 and the value of PESNR is equal to 100. Means there is no difference between input and recovered image. I am getting exactly same image in the output. Now just click on clear all. I would like to run this code once again for third image. So just select this image, click on open. Now click on second button, that is Huffman encoding. It will encode input image with the help of Huffman. So this is my encoded data. Now just click on third button, that is Huffman decoding. So we are going to decode that data stream with the help of Huffman decoding. So I am getting this is my recovered image. So there is no difference between input image or original image and recovered image. I am getting same image at the output. So in this case I am getting value of MSC, that is mean square error, is equal to 0 and the value of PESNR, that is peak signal to noise ratio in dB, is equal to 100. Now just click on clear all and finally close this GUI by clicking this exit button. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want such kind of more videos in the field of digital image processing, then just go to my YouTube page, like my all the videos, share my all the videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.